Brad Hall here, and I have a very interesting show for you today. Right next to me is a box. In that box, a pair of bootleg Nike Dunks. I can't wait to show you those shoes, and then I also can't wait to talk about this. All of that ahead. This pair of shoes was sent to me by Instagram user at Vandy the Pink. They're called the Burger shoes, and as you can see, even on this packaging, there are a lot of references to that burger world, kind of a McDonald's Happy Meal-like box. There's a very fun description on the back of the box. And now inside this box, this is where it gets really good. First thing you see, a little toy, like a Happy Meal toy. Inside, even the paper that has the little burger on there. And now let's look at these shoes. So obviously this is a take on the Nike Dunk. The swoosh is gone though, and in its place, that is a giant French fry. Like I said, this is called the Burger shoe, and the rest of the shoe, it does reference a burger. It's got all of those common elements. You've got that brown, that is the bun. And then on the bun, look at those sesame seeds. Around that ankle, a darker brown for a nicely done burger. Down on that sole, it's red, just like a tomato. Then you've also got some white on that midsole and on these leather panels. My guess, that is mayo. It is a very mayo-heavy burger. So a very well done kind of bootleg Nike Dunk shoe. And then this did come along with it. This giant plush toy, which is very fun and does feel good. I think you could definitely make an argument for this being the best bootleg Nike Dunk of all time, but it's still early and there's so much competition out there. Warren Lotus, he is still gonna release a bootleg Dunk at some point. Not sure what that's going to end up looking like. Maybe I shift gears. Instead of working on a Michael Air Jordan 1 bootleg, maybe I work on a Nike Dunk version. Maybe the bootleg Nike Dunk, that could be the next big trend. You might see a lot of creative takes on this shoe in the near future. So right now, I would put this up there, but only time will tell. So that is my show for today. I think it was a really strong show. A really fun shoe to talk about, and this fun toy, so a lot of things happening in this one, and thank you all so much for watching.